My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I worked for IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades, and I want to tell you the worst type of audit you can have. We do IRS representation, and we do it of all kinds. There's the matching program if you miss a W-2, 1099, a little compliance audit from the service center. Oh, you need to send us this interest. This doesn't make sense on your return. The office audit, the revenue agent audit. But let me tell you the audit that's the worst. Here it is. It's the National Research Program Audit. It's called the NRP. It is the worst audit that you can possibly have. Let me tell you what it is. It's a kind of audit that the computers use to go ahead and program their the diff scores for next year. The diff scores is the discriminatory index function, and I want to just read this. What they do is IRS audits every single line on your tax return. Every line item that you have a number, IRS wants justification for. We call them the PETA audits at IRS. It stands for the pain in the ass. And they are. If you put down that you have a dependent, okay, they want the birth certificate. If you're married, they want the marriage license. They audit everything on your tax returns. Generally, they audit 5,000 of these throughout the United States. When they finally figure out, they take the results of all these audits, they gather business information, partnership information, corporate information, and they find out where people tend to be cheating or maybe aggressive, and they set the diff scores, the discriminatory index function scores. That's the score that judges your tax return to see if it's going to be audited. They use this to set those terms. You are not audited by a human, you're audited by a computer. Did you know that every single return that's audited is computer generated from the DIF score, discriminatory index function score? We know the system really well. You should contact us. We have former IRS agents on staff that know this system inside and out. We could be your very best tax defense. Anyway, that's that program. It is a nasty audit. If you're gonna do this yourself, man, you're gonna be pulling your hair out. Anyway, give me a subscription. Now you know the truth. Thank you.